Stop doing boring, start learning adorable. Your dog's nose is more special than you think. Just like no two human fingerprints are the same, every pup's snoot has its own unique pattern. So next time your furry friend gives you a boop, remember? That's their signature. It's like they're leaving you a tiny, adorable autograph. Isn't that awesome? Dogs truly are amazing creatures, and this is just one of the many reasons why we love them. Keep loving your furry pals, and don't forget to cherish those nose boops. Comment below with your dog's name, and let's celebrate these snout signatures together.